Namaste friends. Um, Welcome to Trading Emotion channel. I am Guruji. This is market profile chart of Nifty 50 continuation future chart, and this is 30 minutes time frame. And this chart, market profile chart, this is a split profile. One announcement, we are going to start a new batch on market profile Ghana 2.0 on 15th of this month. Every day we have a live webinar, otherwise you can call it a live session in the night. 8:30 or 9 o'clock will start, and 9:30, if 9 o'clock starting, then 10 o'clock. So 1 hour session every day. We have learning session on market profile. This course, how it will grow in the way of classes. It start from the basics of market profile, then slowly we learn about market structure, different kind of day structure, who are the players in the market, whether those players are weak or strong. See, this type of all the information, we first we learn the basics, then we'll move to the strategies, then we'll move to the advanced stage of market profile. So if you go and cross check in our Telegram channel, though many students are there, many people are independent trader now. The last 2-3 batches, those people are independent traders now. They know what the market profile provide information. And see, we don't use any indicator here. We don't promote any indicator. Why? Because there are n number of videos available in the YouTube. That is everything free of cost. And those indicator, you can believe on that. The people, what the problem is, 80% of the people, they believe only on indicators. They won't believe on the chart information or what chart is providing. So everything we have in the market profile. I am not saying that the candlestick or ring. So all the charts, they have their own power. But we have to learn, we have to believe, we have to implement in the live market. That is a fact. So this market profile course, I will give you the guarantee. This is a 15 days course. After that, we'll give all the supports and service in the live market. We'll discuss this technical way of approach or technical words in the live market. Then you will understand what is happening in the market. For example, see, we say that this is single print. This is single print. We will call it single print. Will rejection will happen, or we'll say if H period low is holding or KL period is holding, market will reverse. Then how we can approach, how we can take entry here. This stuff live support we provide. We have a separate student group for market profile, separate Telegram group, and all the 15 days classes will provide you a video. All the classes will be recorded. Those recorded video is free for lifetime. We are not restricting to the particular time frame. Most of the learning sessions, they will restrict. This access will be for 1 year. No, this will be an entire full lifetime. This video will be available with you, the recorded video. You can use that. Okay, just getting into the session, what could be the thought process of today? We are trade facilitation. See, if market opening here, that means above day close, yesterday's close. If market start moving up, okay, 18,880 is on resistance, on supply zone is sitting there, 18,880. Then immediately this territory also a supply zone. This is single print, 18,110, like that. So if any acceptance here, then market move directly to this territory. That means 18,160. These are the scenario if market opening above and moving up. Coming down, if market opening here and first 15 minutes itself market coming down and giving good closing. If the day low is taken up, there could be a good fall. This low is 17,900 level, this close. So directly we can downshade, we can go for a this could be the territory second, 17,870. The next target, if market spending time here, next target directly we can look into the 17,830. These are the downside target. Upside target also very less only. Why? Because everywhere the strong sellers are sitting here. Strong sellers are sitting here. So what market profile provide information that might be there could be a sideway in the first half or second half. There could be a sideway, might be they will take a rest there because continuous fall was happening. So might be a rest needed day for Nifty. That was the information I am getting from this chart. So let's see, let's watch. If any changes in the live market, I will post those things in our Telegram channel. This is Nifty 50. So what about the Banknifty? Again, Banknifty have some range actually, but again if the opening is very important, the opening should be above this close, yesterday's close, and any acceptance at 42,350 directly we can target this single print. This single print comes around 42,500. You can take it this 42,500. This single print, this area 42,500. If market spending more time on this single print area, for example, how we can identify that? You can mark in your trading view this level, that means 42,500. You just mark in your trading view, candlestick chart or whatever you are using, just mark below this particular level or in this level or something, 10 points, 15 points up and down. If market spending more than half an hour or 1 hour, just create a box. If market any 15 or 5 minutes, whatever time frame you are using, any acceptance above this range or any acceptance below this range, go for a C, go for a P. Okay, but if the single print, what the single print represent is, there is a huge sellers, plus these sellers are strong. So this is how we learn the market profile. Why we are saying that these sellers are strong? Why? Because see, after yesterday's open, this entire A period, this entire half an hour, they protected. Any single period, B, C, D, E, any single, that means any 1 second, market not traded above this zone, above 42,500 not traded yesterday. So the 42,500 zone below that they protected, that means these people are strong. So whether market time spending, if not here, if market spending here time, then moving up. So wherever they want to adjust their inventory, hand over their inventory or book their profit, whatever name we call, very simple, we have to understand the market, that's it. So this is one type of analysis. If market opening gap down, that means below this particular yesterday's close and market coming down, this low is very important again. If this low is taken up, there could be again a fall in the fall in terms of Banknifty actually. See, Banknifty, this single print still is holding. The first time this day, what is the day actually? This is on 6th one. Okay, so first day the people came here, visited, they rejected from this level. Okay, again yesterday these people again came from the top, the same one tick below they rejected, this single print rejected. So 2 times this single print zone was visited. If market again visiting and any acceptance here, there could be a good fall towards this level. That means 41,800. So 42,000 to, you can take 42,000 to 41,800 level, a good fall, and very fast fall will be there. So this is how market profile give us how the market react in the live market. Okay, so this is one scenario. If they are still strong, this low will be protected. Protected means if one tick coming here and rejected, then market will move up. We don't know. 2 times these people allowed to visit this territory. So 2 times they are rejected. But we have to know how strong they are now. They are already weak. One time they pushed up, again yesterday pushed up. This push was good actually. See, after this push, market went up to this level. We have to see whether today's approach, the same power they have to go up. But I don't think whether they have a power or not. See, yesterday, this day, the K period is pushed up and the close was very high. But here, the close unable to push maximum up. So they are now weak. They are weak. So this low is very, very important for me to trade downside. So upside also what we discussed. So the opening is very, very important. The flat opening is I'm seeing. Might be Banknifty also, will see whether they are taking risk or not. But any changes in the live market will update in the Telegram channel. So please click the like button, subscribe our channel, share our channel to your friend circle and relatives. Please click the bell icon for our every update. Thank you very much.